Hello guys, this is Shubham Agarwal, and in this video I'll tell you how to create an AI animated avatar just like this one, like the 10x income or any other digital income project. These guys have mastered the art of using an AI animated avatar. So first of all, we'll need we need to create a character like this. So you can obviously use Midjourney if you have a subscription, or you can use Leonardo AI. I have both. Obviously you can have Leonardo for free also. So the prompt that I'm going to use is in the description of this video. Prompt is something like this. Okay, you just head over to Midjourney, and you can just type that prompt, and you'll get good examples, good generations, as you can check. Obviously there's another way also. Maybe you want something very close to this thing, so you can use this image as a reference in Midjourney and create your own unique images, so to speak. But for the purpose of this video, since Leonardo is free, I'll be using Leonardo. Okay, so just head over to leonardo.com, okay, and click on launch app. You need to sign in with your Google Gmail address, anything, okay. Then click on image generations, okay, come here. Okay, then just select the style to albedo base Excel, okay, and just paste this prompt that I've pasted in the description of this video. Okay, just paste this prompt and click on generate. So you'll have a few generations. So the style I'm aiming for is this, something like this, as you can try. There are other ways to make generations, but for the purpose of this video I'll be using the generations used by Leonardo, generated by Leonardo AI. So as you can see, these are fairly good AI generations, okay, clean, classy. Once you have this, you need to create your voiceover. Obviously you can do your voiceover on your own, or you can head to 11 labs, okay. For the purpose of this video I'll be using 11 labs. You get like 10,000 characters free per month in 11 labs, okay. Just choose your voice, whichever you want to use, and just type your text, okay. So I've just typed my text here, and just click on generate. Once you have clicked generate, you will have a voiceover like, let me
make animated AI avatar. First of all, we need to make an image. You can use this prompt or maybe tweak it a little bit as per your preferences.
See, as you can see, just head over to 11 labs and you can just make your voiceover now. So you have an image which you generated using Leonardo AI, okay. Whichever image you like, say suppose I am liking this image, maybe, okay. Just click on this and just let me click on this alchemy upscaler, okay, and just click on upscale. Sometimes if you have used it a little too much, this upscale option may be removed, okay. So I have already, since downloaded this image, I have this image on my own, I have upscaled it. Now click on download. Once you have the image, you have the voiceover. Now the next thing we need to go is on artflow.ai, okay, artflow.ai. Go here and click, you need to create a new account. Just sign in with the Gmail address, okay. It's fairly simple. It will send a verification code at your email. Just click on the verification link and you're good to go. Once you are here, okay, there are the video studio, character builder, video studio. So you need to go on video studio, okay, and then you need to click on create video, okay. It will open up. It can take a while sometimes, but it does open up, okay. So once you are here, okay, now you get pre-made scenes also. If you can check project, see, these are pre-made options this website gives you. But since we'll be using our own characters, just head over to characters here, okay, and click on uploads here and browse and choose your file, okay, whichever file it is that you have. Since I've already tried one, I'll just show you which one I tried, maybe this one, okay. As you can see, it will automatically detect face from the image. So it has already detected the face that the image has. Sometimes the problem that Midjourney or these type of characters have, let me just show you. If I am choosing this image, it won't be able to detect images most of the times. If it's a lucky day, it may be able to see no face, detect face is too small or not clear enough. So the generations that I was getting in this image style using Midjourney were falling. So that is why I recommend Leonardo, which is also free. So you can use that. In this image, it was able to detect face, but there's a problem in this. I'll show you later what problem comes up in this example, as you can see, it is able to detect face. Okay, so no problem there, but the finished product is a little clumsy at best, not even best, it's like worse. So the image that you should use, the prompt you should use is Leonardo, and just stick to the plan. Just use the Leonardo prompt and the image, it will detect face. Then you need to upload your audio. Okay, the audio that you created using 11 Labs or any other AI voiceover website. You can use any. Just click on dialogue. Either you can type it here, or maybe just click on upload. Okay, click on browse. Just choose your voiceover, whichever you have. I have already uploaded one, this one. So I will just click on use this audio. Okay, once you press this, you need to click on export and animate. Okay, and then you have finished product. Let me show you the finished product. First, let me show you the clumsy one. The clumsy one was this one. Let me just show you character. This was the clumsy one, though the character looks dope. The website is able to detect the face, but the finished product is like, you will just run away after looking at that product. Just let me show you. Yeah. So look at this one. The problem with this image format, image style, when you use artflow.ai. Okay. So as you can see, it's fine. Just let me click on play.
Make animated AI avatar.
Look at the face.
First of all, we need to make an image.
So this guy is like, I don't know how to opening his mouth, and the voiceover is going on. So that is why this voiceover, this photo style, image style may not work best for artflow.ai. Leonardo is Leonardo art style, which is albedo one. This one, like I've already generated one. Let me just show you this one. Okay, just let me click on full screen.
Make animated AI avatar. First of all, we need to make an image.
It's still a lot better and a lot of,
or maybe tweak it a little bit as per your preferences. For image
eyebrows
generation, we can
are
use
also moving
Midjourney
sometimes.
or
Head is
Leonardo
also a little
or
bit
any
moving.
other image generation
So
tool.
I still
I'm gonna
prefer
show
this
you both
format. So there are other ways also of talking AI avatar. I will show you more ways in my other upcoming videos, but this is the finished product. Now obviously there is an watermark. Now obviously you can pay AI Artflow to get this thing removed, or there are other tools out there that can remove this watermark. So you can try that too. So this was the video, guys. I hope you liked it on how to create a simple AI avatar for your videos. And if you are new to the channel, please be sure to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.